What's the meaning of clairvoyance? Clairvoyance. Clairvoyance.
Clairvoyance. Clairvoyance. Clairvoyance refers to the ability to perceive or gain information about events, people, or objects that cannot be detected through the five senses. It is often associated with extrasensory perception, ESP, and psychic abilities. The result of a clairvoyant reading may include vivid and detailed insights into past, present, or future events, or information about people or situations that may not be readily apparent. Some people believe in the existence of clairvoyance, while it remains a subject of skepticism and scientific inquiry.